Welcome back everybody with my new video. In this video we can study another tool. Yeah, another tool in SketchUp tutorial. So this tool we have learned dimensions already. So we start to another protractor. So protractor, if you look at my drawing, this called a protractor. So that can let you know yeah what you want. So for example, I want a 45-degree line, see, or I want to have 90. You can make this, this one 90 or 45. Yes, so that's called protractor. So yes, for another tool called tag, it let you make a tag with your with your drawing. You can tie the name or what you want. Yes, simple like this name. Okay, or this, or you can do with different thing or different node. Okay, that's called tag. Oh sorry, that's called tag. Okay, like this, or okay, you okay. So another tool is called axis. So this one to let you know the axis, make axis of the bearing size. Yeah, if you want to make the object axis. So another tool is called 3D text. 3D text, it lets you write down the name. So or whatever you want to apply on your project. For example, I write down the name of the building like this. Okay, so you can place, so put your text wherever you want to, or you can scale it if it's not big enough for you. You can scale like this. See? Yes, you can scale big. It's like this. Okay. So that's all about the text that you can apply, or you can take note with your element or your projects. So okay, so this video is all about to finish. So you can start another tool with another project. Oh sorry, another video. Okay, thank you so much for your watchings. So thank you so much.